Lucio, a very poetic man who resides in Fertile Valley, would prefer to read books all day. Camilo, his friend who lives in the merry town, invited Lucio to come in their town to spend vacation with him.
Hey bro.
Hey bro, how are you? Why did you call?
I'm okay, how about you?
I'm okay, I'm fine. When Chana?
I'm inviting you to have a vacation.
Oh, thank you for inviting me. It's a pleasure, my dear friend Camilo, to come into your beautiful town. Tatanungin ko muna si Papa kung pwede ba akong pumunta dyan.
Lucio, I wait.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Hey Dad, how's my son? My friend Camilo is asking if I can go to their town for a vacation.
Okay. Mapayag ako basta mag-ingat ka lang.
Thanks Dad. Enjoy.
The next day, Lucio traveled to Marytown about 2 to 3 hours working. When Lucio came to the town, Lucio sees his friend Camilo and Lucio's sister Maria after a long time.
Hey Camilo. Hey Lucio. Hey Maria.
Hey!
Your town is beautiful. Thanks. I hope you enjoy.
Hi, Rosa!
Hey Camilo, Maria, do you know the beautiful lady? Oh, that's Rosa.
She's our friend.
She's beautiful. Dating mo gusto ko na siya.
One day, Lucio was enjoying nature. He tries to exhale the fragrance of flowers, but he could not, for his heart was already full of Rosa. Rosa came to fill an earthen pitcher beside Camilo's house. Lucio was lost in admiration.
Hey, good morning. I'm new here, and my name is Lucio.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Rosa. How's your stay here in our town?
Oh, I'm enjoying my vacation here, especially because I met a beautiful girl like you.
The two started to get to know each other. As time passed by, Lucio was able to say his feelings for Rosa.
It's been a month since we met, and I think I have feelings for you now. I'm just thinking if we both feel the same way.
I'm sorry, Lucio, but I can't answer your question right now. Maybe if you can wait tomorrow?
Of course, Rosa.
Lucio came back to the same place they met yesterday. He waited so long. Rosa didn't approach Lucio because she was afraid to tell her feelings towards Lucio.
I have a favor to ask you, Camilo. Look after Rosa. Of course, I will take care of her.
Swiftly, but full of joy, the end of vacation days drew to an end, and Lucio, with much regret and heart pain, bade adieu for a time to his beloved Rosa and his friend Camilo. The day of separation had at last come to pass.
Just wait, Rosa, and time shall find us the happiest being in this world.
I will wait for you, Lucio. I will wait for you to come back.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
It's okay. Save your tears for another day. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Lucio returned to his native town, much perturbed and lost in the midst of the enchanted world of love.
Lucio, for a while, forget the sad thoughts and delve into the happy realms of the book, just like the old days. Suffer it bravely like a man.
I will try, but it seems like it's impossible.
No, you can do it.
Every time Rosa will be asked who her father was, she only cried instead of answering it. Either because she did not know, knowing or she was ashamed of it, or else felt the disgrace of her being born fatherless.
Ma, sino ba kasing tatay ko? People in this town always ask me who my father is. Pero wala akong masagot.
That is not important anymore. Dapat isipin mo kung paano ka mabubuhay araw-araw, hindi yung kung ano-ano iniisip mo.
Okay, sorry po. Sorry.
Governor visited Rosa's house.
Wait a minute. Oh, Governor, kami. Bakit po kayo nandito? Is there any problem po?
Rosa, may I have a minute to talk to your mother?
Yes po. Ma! Kausapin ka daw po ni Gov.
I have a proposal for you.
Ano po yun, Governor?
Napapansin ko kasi nitong mga nakaraang araw na parang malungkot at stress itong si Rosa dahil sa kanyang relationship. Siguro dahil to sa lalaking na-meet niya nung huling bakasyon. So nag-decide ako na mag-arrange marriage sila ni Oscar. Si Oscar at ang kanyang pamilya ay isa sa pinakamayaman dito sa ating lugar. At alam ko rin makatutulong ito sa kanila upang makapagbagong buhay.
Magandang idea yan, Governor. Sige, kakausapin ko si Rosa para makilala niya si Oscar at makapagpakasal sila.
After a while, the governor and Filipa introduced Oscar to Rosa.
Dear Rosa, your beauty is beyond from what I imagined.
Thank you, Oscar.
Oscar did his best to have the support of Rosa's mother and the governor. The governor assured him that he will have his wish to marry Rosa. The fatal came. It was announced from an unknown source that she would be married to Oscar.
Rosa, is it true that you're now married to Oscar? Does Lucio know this?
Yes, it is true that I'm now married to Oscar. But I didn't have any choice. Besides, Oscar can provide the needs of my mother and I.
I'm sorry that you are in that situation, Rosa. But if you won't tell Lucio about this, we will.
Juan, I am worried about Lucio. I think it would be better if we should tell him.
Yes, you're right. We should write him a letter.
My friend, we are writing this letter that your beloved Rosa will marry Oscar soon.
I am formally announcing that Mr. Oscar Ramirez is married to Rosa Garcia.
Broken engagement, the cup of sorrow was full of poison, sadness, and misfortune.
By this time, Rosa knew who her father was. It was Ismael. Rosa rebuked her mother, crying,
If you had told me long before, people won't have called me such a disgraceful name. As a child without a father.
I'm sorry, Rosa. I'm sorry.
From Rosa. It is only our love that makes me live. And I believe that woman only live for love. I do. And I'm still waiting for you. Forget me not, and believe me. I am still waiting for the promised day. You are still death do us part.
Thanks to Camilo for a beautiful pair, dancing together, Rosa and Lucio. Later, they went to get a drink and had their chance to talk.
Kamusta ka, Lucio?
Nice.
You are still the love of my life. But my mother forced me to marry Oscar. Hindi ko naman yun ginusto, pero para din kasi sa pangangailangan namin ng pamilya ko. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. I understand. Dad! Alis na po ako. Dad! 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 Dad, gumising ka.
Days, months, and years passed by, and from that time on, wherever Lucio was seen, men, women, and children pointed to him and said,
There he is, the child of sorrow.
Bye-bye.
Naiiyak na ako.
Just wait, Rosa, and time shall find us the happiest being. Thinking if we all is.
Tweet. Lucio, paipayan mo nga ako, Lucio.
You're now married to Oscar? Does Lucio know this? That you're now married to Oscar? Does Lucio... Is it true that you're now married to Oscar? Does Lucio know this?
Yes. Is it true? Is it true?
Tell him. Yes, you're right. We should write him a
One, I am worried about Lucio. I think if...
Pointed to him and said, There he is, the man of sorrow.
Miss Lucio, I'm Yuhi and I'm a friend of Camilo. And I also...
Hindi.
I'm my vacation here, especially because I met a beautiful ulit. Oh, nakalimutan ko.
I'm new here. Ay, hindi. Dapat yung magkaganito.
Wait lang. Huy, walang sign.
Wait lang, wala.
Hindi na ba ako nakangiti? Wait lang. Nakangiti pa rin.
Dad, alis na po ako. Dad, gumising ka.